Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Product Comparison. Stuck between the sleek new AlphaTheta DDJ-FLX2 and the feature-packed Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX? You're definitely not alone. We're diving deep, no fluff, just facts, to help you figure out which one truly deserves your hard-earned cash. So where do we start? How about with how these controllers feel in your hands? The AlphaTheta DDJ-FLX2 is designed to be incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing in at just 2.6 pounds, 1.2 kilograms. It's a predominantly plastic build, which is common at this entry-level price point. This makes it super portable, fitting easily into a backpack. Its layout is classic Pioneer DJ, intuitive for anyone familiar with their gear, though the jog wheels are on the smaller side and fairly light. Moving over to the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX, it's noticeably larger and a bit heavier at 5 pounds, 2.3 kilograms. While also plastic, it feels more substantial and less toy-like due to its increased size and the heft of its large 6-inch capacitive jog wheels. These jogs are a real highlight, featuring built-in color displays that show BPM, platter position, time remaining, and pitch adjustment. That's a huge win for keeping your eyes on the controller, not constantly on your laptop screen. Most users agree these larger jogs and integrated screens really pull ahead for a more professional feel. Alright, next up, let's talk about what makes these controllers tick. The AlphaTheta DDJ-FLX2 works with multiple DJ apps like Rekordbox, DJ, and Serato DJ Lite, giving you great flexibility. Its standout features are the Smart CFX and Smart Fader functions. Smart CFX lets you apply complex, professional sounding effects with just a turn of a knob, while Smart Fader automatically optimizes volume, tempo, and bass levels as you move the crossfader. These are fantastic for beginners to achieve smooth transitions easily. However, a major drawback is the lack of dedicated, complex effect controls beyond these smart features. You can't just pick and choose multiple standard effects like on other controllers. It also only offers 2-channel faders and a basic 3-band EQ. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX, on the other hand, is built around Serato DJ Lite, upgradable to Pro, and offers a different set of advantages. It boasts 4-deck layering capability, meaning you can switch between and control up to 4 software decks, which is a massive creative advantage for mashups and intricate mixes that the FLX2 can't touch. Its 6 quick launch effects with dual paddle triggers are incredibly fun and intuitive, making effect application feel very hands-on and dynamic. Users rave about these paddles. It also has a full 3-band EQ and filter knobs on each of its 2 physical channels, plus 16 backlit performance pads, 8 per deck, for hot cues, auto loops, samples, and even fader cuts, a unique pad-based scratch effect. The honest drawback here is that while the effects are fun, you're somewhat limited in the types of effects and how much control you have compared to higher-end gear. What about getting your sound out? The AlphaTheta DDJ-FLX2 has an integrated sound card with a single 3.5mm stereo mini jack master output and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It's USB bus-powered for laptops and mobile devices, and even offers Bluetooth Low Energy for connecting to iOS/Android for a wireless connection, though you'll need external power then. Its portability is its strength here, but the limited output options mean you'll need adapters for standard club or home speaker setups. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX provides slightly more robust connectivity for its class. RCA stereo outputs for your main speakers, plus both a 1/4-inch and 1/8-inch, 3.5mm, headphone jacks. It also includes a 1/4-inch microphone input, a crucial feature missing on the DDJ-FLX2, making the Platinum FX more suitable for hosting parties or making announcements. Like the FLX2, it's USB bus-powered. Reviewer consensus points out that while the RCA output is unbalanced, it's a standard and widely compatible connection for most entry-level setups. If you're already thinking the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX sounds like your jam, you can snag the latest deals and all the nitty-gritty specs via our link down in the description. So who is each of these for? The AlphaTheta DDJ-FLX2 is a super compact, highly portable controller, perfect for absolute beginners who want a simple, intuitive entry into DJing, especially if they value the smart mixing features and multi-software compatibility, perhaps even on a mobile device. Its main drawback is its very basic physical effects control and limited output. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX, on the other hand, offers more robust features for creative mixing, like 4-deck control, larger jog wheels with displays, and those fantastic FX paddles. It's a bit bigger but provides a more pro feel and crucial microphone input. It's ideal for beginners who want more creative control right from the start and don't mind a slightly larger footprint. Alright, so after breaking it all down, for most aspiring DJs who want the most bang for their buck and serious creative potential that they won't quickly outgrow, the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX just edges out the competition. Its larger jog wheels with displays, 4-deck control, and highly engaging FX paddles truly make it the one to beat for a feature-rich, hands-on mixing experience, despite its slightly bulkier size. That said, if your absolute top priority is maximum portability and a streamlined, super beginner-friendly mixing experience, especially with those smart features, then the AlphaTheta DDJ-FLX2 is still a fantastic option. It's truly excellent for learning the absolute basics and for casual, on-the-go practice. So, whether you're ready to grab the versatile Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX or the ultra-portable AlphaTheta DDJ-FLX2 feels like a better fit for your lifestyle, you'll find both products, with their latest pricing and all the detailed info, conveniently linked directly below in the description. Go check them out. If this in-depth comparison actually helped you cut through all that noise and make a smart decision, please smash that like button, drop a comment below letting us know which one you're picking, and subscribe for more unbiased reviews and buying guides. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.